Speak with confidence and influence every conversation. Why confident speaking changes your life. Your voice is powerful, even when you speak softly. Every day, you talk to people. You talk at home, you talk at school, you talk at work, you talk online. Your words shape your life. Your words shape how people see you. Your words shape your future. Many people feel afraid to speak. They feel shy. They feel nervous. They feel small. They think, my English is not good. My voice is weak. People will not listen to me. This fear is common. You are not alone. But here is the truth. Confidence is not magic. Confidence is a skill. You can learn it, you can train it, you can grow it every day. Speaking with confidence does not mean you are loud. It does not mean you talk all the time. It does not mean you are perfect. Confidence means you trust yourself. Confidence means you respect your own voice. Confidence means you speak with purpose. When you speak with confidence, people feel it. They listen more. They remember your words. They respect you. You do not need big words. You do not need fast speech. You do not need perfect grammar. You need clarity. You need calm. You need belief. Think about a calm river. The water moves slowly, but it is strong. Think about a quiet leader. They do not shout, but people follow them. This is real influence. Influence is not control. Influence is connection. When you speak with confidence, people feel safe. They feel understood. They feel open. They want to listen to you. Many people think confidence comes first, then speaking comes after. This is not true. Speaking creates confidence. Action creates belief. Every time you speak, you grow stronger. Every time you try, you build courage. Small steps matter. Simple words matter. Daily practice matters. Do not wait to feel ready. Start before you feel ready. Confidence grows in motion. Your voice is like a muscle. If you use it, it grows. If you hide it, it becomes weak. But weak muscles can grow again, always. Your past does not decide your future. Your accent does not stop you. Your mistakes do not define you. Mistakes are signs of learning. Mistakes mean you are moving forward. Strong speakers make mistakes too. Great leaders make mistakes too. The difference is simple. They keep speaking. They do not stop. They do not quit. They learn, they adjust, they continue. Confidence is not about being better than others. Confidence is about being honest with yourself. You say what you mean what you say. Your words match your heart. People trust speakers like this. People follow speakers like this. When you speak with confidence, you influence every conversation. At work, at home, with friends, with strangers. Influence starts with one moment, one sentence, one breath. Before you speak, pause. Take a slow breath. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel your body calm. Then speak. Your voice does not need to rush. Your words do not need to fight. Let your voice flow. Clear words are strong words. Simple English can be powerful. Short sentences can change minds. You do not need to impress people. You need to connect with people. Connection creates influence. When people feel you are real, they listen. When people feel you are calm, they trust you. This is the foundation of confident speaking. Not speed, not perfection, not complex language, but presence. Presence means you are here, not in fear, not in doubt. Here, now. You speak from this place, and people feel it. In this journey, you will learn to speak clearly. You will learn to speak calmly. You will learn to speak with intention. Step by step, day by day. No pressure, no rush. Confidence grows slowly, but it grows strong. Part 2. Build confidence from the inside first. Confidence starts inside you, not in your mouth, not in your words. Before you speak, your mind speaks first. Many people lose confidence before they open their mouth. They think too much. They judge themselves. They say inside, "I will make mistakes. My English is bad. People will laugh." These thoughts are heavy. They slow your voice. They block your words. But thoughts are not facts. Thoughts are habits. Habits can change. Your inner voice needs training, just like your speaking voice. When fear appears, do not fight it. Do not push it away. Look at it. Name it. Say inside, "I feel nervous now." This simple sentence brings calm. It gives you control. Fear becomes smaller when you see it. Confidence grows when you understand yourself. You do not need to kill fear. You need to walk with it. Every confident speaker feels fear sometimes. They speak anyway. This is the secret. Before you speak, prepare your mind, not with pressure, with kindness. Say this to yourself: "I am allowed to speak. My voice matters. I can take my time." These sentences are simple, but they are powerful. Your brain listens to your words. If you tell yourself bad stories, your body becomes tense, your breath becomes short, your voice becomes weak. If you tell yourself calm stories, your body relaxes, your breath becomes slow, your voice becomes steady. Breathing is the bridge. Before speaking, breathe slowly. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Slow breath sends a clear message: I am safe. A safe body speaks better. Stand or sit with your back straight. Relax your shoulders. This opens your chest. It opens your voice. Your body speaks before your words. A closed body sends fear. An open body sends confidence. You do not need big movements. Small changes are enough. Lift your head slightly. Look forward. You are not hiding. Eye contact is not a test. It is a connection. You do not need to stare. Just look softly. Look at one person, then another. This builds trust. Confidence also comes from clarity. Know what you want to say. Not every detail, just the main idea. Ask yourself, what is my message? One message is enough. When your mind is clear, your words follow. Do not try to say everything. Say one thing well. Short sentences are strong. Clear ideas are memorable. Silence is not your enemy. Silence is your friend. A short pause shows control. A pause gives weight to your words. You do not need to fill every second. Slow speakers feel confident. Fast speakers often feel afraid. You can choose your speed. Confidence is also about self-respect. Do not apologize for your voice. Do not say sorry for speaking. Do not say sorry for your English. You are learning. That is enough. Respect yourself first. Others will follow. If you make a mistake, continue. Do not stop. Do not panic. Most people do not notice small errors. They listen to meaning. They feel your energy. Mistakes do not break confidence. Fear does. And fear grows when you run from it. Face the moment. Stay present. Say your next sentence. One sentence is always possible. Confidence grows through repetition. Small wins build big belief. Speak in low-pressure moments. Speak to yourself. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak when alone. Speak when relaxed. Your brain learns safety through practice. Every time you speak and nothing bad happens, your confidence grows. This is training. Do not wait for perfect confidence. It will not come first. Action comes first. Confidence follows. You are building a new habit. You are teaching your mind. I can speak. I can stay calm. I can be heard. Part 3. Influence others with simple and powerful speech. Influence begins when people feel you, not when they admire you. People listen with their emotions, not only with their ears. When you speak, your goal is connection, not performance. To influence others, be human, be clear, be calm. Start with presence. Be fully there. Put away fear. Put away hurry. Speak like you are talking to one person, even in a group. This creates warmth. This creates trust. Use simple words. Simple words travel far. Complex words create distance. Simple words create closeness. If a child can understand your message, it is strong. Say what matters. Remove what does not matter. People remember feelings more than facts, so speak with feeling. Let your voice rise slightly for important ideas. Let it fall when you finish a thought. This creates rhythm. Rhythm holds attention. Stories are powerful, even small stories. You do not need long stories. One moment is enough. Say, this happened to me. I learned something. Real stories feel real. When people see themselves in your words, they listen. Ask simple questions. Questions open minds. Have you felt this? Do you know this feeling? Questions invite people in. Influence grows when people feel included. Do not try to win. Try to understand. Listening is a form of speaking. When you listen well, people trust you more. When people trust you, your words carry weight. Do not interrupt. Do not rush to reply. Pause. Think. Then speak. This shows respect. Respect is influence. Your tone matters more than your grammar. Your intention matters more than your accent. Speak with kindness. Speak with honesty. People feel honesty fast. They feel fake even faster. If you do not know something, say it. This builds trust. Confidence is not pretending. Confidence is being real. When you speak with confidence, your energy is steady, not high, not low. Steady energy feels safe. People relax around safe speakers. Relaxed people listen better. End your sentences clearly. Do not drop your voice too early. Finish your thought. This shows certainty. Certainty invites belief. You do not need to convince everyone. You need to be clear. Clarity is influence. Every conversation is a chance to build trust, a chance to share meaning. Small conversations matter. A short talk can change a day. A kind sentence can change a mood. Influence is not always big. Often it is quiet. Speak like your words matter, because they do. Your voice carries your values. Your voice carries your message. When you speak with confidence, people feel your strength. When you speak with care, people feel your heart. This combination is powerful. Practice every day, in small moments. Speak clearly when you order food. Speak calmly when you ask for help. These moments train your confidence. You do not need a stage. Life is your stage. Every conversation is practice. Confidence grows through use. Influence grows through care. Over time, people will listen more. they will trust you more. Not because you're perfect, but because you are real. Speak with confidence. Influence every conversation. Your voice is ready. Use it.
If this message hit you, then don't just watch and leave. Like this video, share it to someone who needs this wake-up, and subscribe to this channel. Study yourself 1 hour a day. We are building a different breed here, a new generation of doers, people who don't wait for permission, people who build themselves daily, people who compound quietly and become untouchable over time. Hit subscribe, join the movement. 1 hour a day, every day. And in 1 year, your future self will not recognize you anymore. Let's grow. Let's execute. Let's dominate our own potential. Subscribe now and start becoming the person nobody can compete with.